everyone, and welcome back to the episode 4 of Untangled. There are a bunch of new things we have planned just for you. But before I jump into it, I just want to say thank you for all the love that you've been showering on us on not just the YouTube channel but all the videos that we've been putting out just for you. We hope they've been super helpful in your journey to pave your way to the top. Before we jump into the multiple opportunities we've put together for you, there are a few things that you should know as engineers and as people who are going to start their job super soon. So let's quickly get into it. You can see this on my screen, and it's called the Google I/O Annual Developer Conference. But what is this all about, and why are you and I speaking about this today in this episode? Well, there are some things that we want to unveil to you and also want to share with you because we feel this will help you in your journey ahead. And by staying updated with all the latest updates in the technology arena, you will not just be ready for the future, but will also be able to innovate for the future. So what is Google I/O? Google I/O is basically Google's annual developer conference, and it happened during the end of May this last month. And what happened there is they unveiled a bunch of new technological updates, platform updates, some updates around what new technology they're going to be using, and a lot of futuristic innovations. Now, even though this conference is known to be for developers primarily, it is something that everyone should know about because this is advancement in AI, which is why you need to know some of the top updates from the conference. And we have put it together for you in a quick note that we're going to share now. Have you ever wondered how you're going to look in a certain dress, jeans, trousers, shirt, and have been busy scrolling online looking for these items and just wondering whether this is the right fit or type for you or not? Well, Google just solved this problem with their virtual try-on feature. Let me quickly show you. All you need to do is check out the different items that you want to buy from, swipe and try them on virtually. Imagine how cool that is. And this, my friends, is how you can easily try clothes online virtually and figure out what is best for you. Yes, of course, like any other app and any other feature online, you need to have a good lighting, a good picture, something which is easy for the application to understand and then place the clothes on easily. And as an engineer, you need to know that this is a massive move in the right direction for online shopping. For all the people who have always still been slightly hesitant in buying things online, this is a great move, and it has already been tried and tested by a few Indian brands as well, like Nykaa. You can go on their app and check out how they have different features, try-on features for their beauty products, like say a foundation shade, a lipstick shade, a blush. All you need to do is click a picture of yourself and see how that it'll look on you. So yes, check out more details in the caption below to see what this amazing feature is about to do for the world outside. Being a college student, I'm sure a bunch of you have used AI to solve a bunch of different problems, whether it's your project, assignment, some coding submission, or whatnot. But did you know that you could also try something called the Gemini Deep Research? But how is this different from the others? Let me quickly show you a small demo of the same. Now on my screen, you're going to see an example of the Deep Research tool on Gemini. For example, you need to draft a report on autonomous vehicle sensor trends based on the key themes in my class notes. So I upload this easily, and the research done on this is not just detailed but extremely detailed to the fact that Gemini looks at different websites and tools to get the data for you in the best way possible, and these are created into multi-page reports. You can also go and check out the different ways of showing this, for example in a quiz format in which it gives you different questions and you can practice your skills also if required on some topic that you're preparing for. Other than that, this can also help you in the planning stage of anything that you are planning to do in terms of your college project or your assignment at work. It also helps you understand your accuracy and your score. Isn't that so cool? So, research got easier. Who knew that could happen? Second, there is a virtual try on now to help you shop better. What next? Well, this is just a sliver, literally a dot of what Google shared in the Google I/O conference. Now, I'm going to show you a picture that will probably make you think, what is this? Well, as you can see on my screen, these are pictures, but these are not pictures which are created by someone or clicked by someone. These are pictures which are generated by AI. Imagine the level of accuracy. It is done through a feature and a tool called Imagen, and all you need to do is go online and check it out. We've also put the link in the description below, and you can put a detailed prompt like the ones that they've explained in the link given below, and you can create such detailed images out of nothing. Isn't this so cool? Imagine being able to not just create your portfolio, but also kind of dabble with different skills of how you can better your prompting game to be able to generate images of these kind. Next up is the AI mode in Google search. But what is this? Well, when you search for anything on Google, there is also an AI mode that can help you get the right answers. And this can also sometimes be a better way to get answers to whatever you're looking for, because what it does is it quickly checks all the websites online and gets you the best and the most accurate answer possible in the whole spectrum or whatever you're asking. A bunch of you are going to start working in tech firms, and you're going to be working with clients that are also internationally based, which is why one biggest problem that comes up is the language barrier. But Google just sorted that out seamlessly. Now on Google Meets, you can actually get the translation of the language that the other person is speaking in. For example, you are someone who speaks very well in English, and you are talking to someone who speaks very well in Spanish, and they don't know the English language as well as you do. So, will this stop the communication that you're going to have? No. With the Google Meet conference, all you need to do is check the languages that you want the translation to be in and click on starting translation. It will give you the most accurate answers possible to whatever the person in front of you is saying. This will not just smoothen out your communication, but will make sure that you get the most accurate results as possible with the right tools that you're using. Isn't that so amazing? Now you don't have to wait for or go on Google Translate specially to translate everything that the person must have told you. This is quick, simple, and absolutely hassle free to do. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to create a website for your own self? It could be for your favorite football player, cricket player, or your side hustle which you love doing, which is like a photography or writing or anything else. Well, now you don't have to sit and code for ages, even though I'm sure a bunch of you are absolutely brilliant at it. But all you need to do is use AI for UI. Well, this is a feature wherein you get to create your own landing page by just writing a few words, attaching an image, and watching your UI come to life. And then you can obviously make tweaks, make it better, enhance it in different ways. But making a website of your own, making a landing page of your own just became simple with just a few prompts. And that's all thanks to Google. And that's a wrap on everything around the Google I/O conference. But please note that these are just a bunch of things that they announced in their conference. There's a lot more for you to explore. So don't forget to check out the link given below and stay updated on everything that's happening in the tech side of the country and the world. Well, now before I walk you through the bunch of opportunities we have for you, I just wanted to tell you one little thing. I heard from a colleague that gaming is something that you all love doing, especially in your free time. Well, gaming does require a lot of practice, a lot of time, but it also requires a perfect laptop for it. Which is why we went online, checked the best websites possible, and are here to give you some suggestions on some of the best gaming laptops out there. Let me quickly show you all the picks that we have for you. First up is the Dell G155530. It is a powerful mid-range gaming laptop. There's a 13th gen Intel Core i5 processor. There's an RTX 3050 graphics. There's a fast 120Hz display. There's a 16 GB DDR5 RAM and 1 TB SSD storage, and it can easily handle multitasking and large games with a lot of ease. So this is something you can check out if you are someone who's into gaming. Next up is the Asus TUF Gaming A15. It's a well-rounded laptop built for gamers and multitaskers. There's an AMD Ryzen 7 processor and an RTX 3050 GPU. There's a smooth 144Hz display and a 16 GB DDR5 RAM and 512 GB SSD. Seems pretty cool for someone who's into gaming a lot more than maybe the first one. Next, we have the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16. The name in itself is so powerful. It's a high-performance gaming laptop built for extremely serious gamers. It has an Intel Core i7-13700HX processor. There's an RTX 4050 graphics. It's a large 16-inch display and has blazing speed, rich visuals, and very efficient cooling. Cooling happens to be a very important part of laptops, especially the gaming ones, because you're constantly using it for long hours at a stretch. Next up, we have the opportunity of the week, which is Accenture is hiring. This is for the role of a customer service representative. So if you're someone looking out for a job, then go ahead, go to the link in the description and apply today. The structure is pretty simple. There's a kickoff event, there's an assessment round, and the winners are announced. All eligible participants, as per the recruitment process criteria, who top the leaderboard will receive communication regarding the recruitment process from Accenture directly. So you can check out more details about this in the link given in the description. Another thing that's absolutely trending on the Unstopped platform are these topics. But where? Well, our mentors are getting a lot of bookings and resources that they are sharing with the students out there on the topics you can see on your screen. So if you're someone looking for a CV review, career guidance, case competition prep, or interview prep, then go on the link given below, find a mentor of your choice and book a session with them. What's better than one-on-one guidance with the ones who've been there and done that? And last but not the least, if you are planning to apply to all the top brands like Amazon, Goldman, IBM, Microsoft, Jio, and many more, then you need to check out the 5-day interview prep, which is Panch Din Company In. 6,47,264 students have already registered. When will you? Quickly go in the link given below, check out the details on the page and apply today. It's important for you to check out the interview preps of all these top companies to be able to seamlessly bag a job with them. And we're going to wrap up the video with our favorite section of Hall of Fame, where we are going to talk about these 2-3 people who stood out with their cute LinkedIn posts on social media. Starting with Neduri Shri Lekha. She shared on LinkedIn that she secured a global rank of 389 on Unstopped, which is amazing. And this is after participating in various challenges on the platform and competitions, and how it is amazing to see the kind of recognition that she's getting. And she has also made sure to update her Unstopped profile, because that helps her when she's applying for different roles on the platform, whether it will be for a job, internship, or some case study competition. Well, this is how she felt after seeing her leaderboard rank, by improving and getting better 1% every day. If you are someone who is out there working towards this goal, go check out your leaderboard ranking through the link given below. It's time for you to kickstart your process of trying to climb the leaderboard and make sure you come in the top 10 to 20% so that you get the Unstopped Talent Awards next year. Quickly go and check your rank and make sure that you're working towards improving it every day. Next, we have Kishan, who shared how he completed the second day of his 30-day DSA bootcamp by Unstop and how he feels much more confident about his abilities after brushing up the fundamentals. And he's also talked about the different topics that were covered. And this is great to see because it shows how a lot of you out there are putting your best foot forward to not just make sure that you're doing better every day, but are also making an effort to upskill and get better through all the different resources on the platform. So, way to go, Kishan, and I hope more of you go and check out the DSA module. The link is given below. And that's a wrap for episode 4. I know this episode was slightly different than the rest, but please know that it is important for you to stay updated on all the things that are going on outside so that you are better prepared for the different changes that are coming every day in the technological landscape. Not just this, stay tuned for all the fun opportunities we keep dropping below for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unstop Unhinged because there's a bunch of fun content waiting for you and also informative resources that will never go out of fashion because we know the kind of resources that will make you better and help you stand out in front of your dream employers. So stay tuned and take care.